Good everyone. On tutorial you will learn how to georeference imagery using an already digitized shapefile. For you georeference any imagery with an already digitized shapefile, you need two basic things. One, the image that you want to georeference and the digitized shapefile. Definitely, the person that will give you the job will definitely give you the shapefile and as well also give you the image. Now, once you have the shapefile and the image, these two things, once you have them, you can just create a folder, maybe anywhere on your desktop, and keep the image and the shapefile in the folder, just like the way I keep the image and the shapefile on inside a folder on my desktop. Next thing you do is to connect the folder to the GIS interface. That is, you go to your catalog, then you go to folder connection, then you go to your desktop where you keep the folder, then you look for the folder and you connect the folder to your GIS interface. And after you might have done connecting the folder to the GIS interface, the next thing you do is to bring in the imagery and the shapefile so that you can do the georeferencing properly. Once you have connected it, you can click on this plus sign to bring in, you can see the shapefile state boundary. To bring in the shapefile, you can drag and bring it in like this, and you can still go back again to bring in the imagery that you want to georeference also as well. Now, if you look, the two entity are not in the same place because one has a special reference, which is the digital shapefile, while the other one did not have a special reference. And as such, they are in two different locations right now. The best thing you can do now is to start with the so that both of them can now come together and overlap or superimpose on top one another. So let's go. You can see that this is the digitized shapefile, and this one here is the imagery. The best way you can do it to get it to accuracy is to first of all study the image very well and look at places on the image that you can easily identify on the shapefile. Now, if you reference in ArcGIS, you need minimum of 3 reference points and maximum of 4. So now, if you want to go with 3 reference points, you can like decide to like, okay, let here be your first point, here can be your second point, and somewhere here can be your third point. And if you want to go with 4 reference points, you can decide to say, okay, here can be your first point, here can be your second point, third, and definitely fourth here. So from there now, you can now start your georeferencing. So you go to your Add Control Point tool, you click it, then you zoom so that you can have a very good view. So that you can have a very good view. Click the edge. That's where you can see here, and you can also recognize it on the digital shapefile. Click it, go to the shapefile, right click on it, zoom to layer, and also bring it to the same point. You can see here. Same thing again, right click on your image, zoom to layer, then go to another point again. As you can still identify here, maybe this point here. You click it again, go to the image, to the shapefile, zoom to layer, and still bring it to this point, this way. Then you have done 2 reference points now. All you need more is just extra 1 or extra 2. If you want to work with 3 reference points now, you can just come to this point here and maybe click on this point on the image and then drag it to this one. Automatically, you have done the georeference, and if you take a look at it very well, both the image and the shapefile now are overlapping on top each other. So if you want to confirm your georeferencing, you can go here, change the thickness of your line maybe to red, and increase the width to like 3 or 2. You can see that this image and the shapefile are overlapping on top each other. This is the easiest way that you can georeference an already digitized shapefile and image with an already digitized shapefile in ArcGIS. After you might have done this, next thing you do is to update your georeferencing, rectify it so that if you copy the soft copy to the person that's going to make use of the map, the person can easily work with it. Thank you.